Hello again, y'all. It's Matthew with Finsanto Automotive. Let's talk brakes. Your brakes are one of the single most important parts of your vehicle that keeps you safe on the road. Proper maintenance of your braking system can make sure that your vehicle comes to a stop when it's supposed to. Let's talk briefly on your pads. I have right here what's left of a pad that went too long before it got replaced. There's no pad left. This is the backing plate that the pad sits on. The pad has been worn down to nothing, and now you had the backing plate digging into the rotor. This doesn't brake as well as the pad itself. A proper brake looks very similar to this. Now this one's been cut in half, but you can see you have the backing plate here and the pad material. A properly thick brake will stop your vehicle like it's supposed to. A brake that's gone this far may not stop your vehicle at all. Obviously, brakes are super important, so we recommend having the components inspected at least every other oil change. That normally works out to about once a year. You can certainly have them inspected more often, and whenever you bring your vehicle to us for your basic maintenance, we're taking a look at those brakes. Again, it's super important to the safety of your vehicle, and we want you to be safe on the roads. The next part of proper operation of your braking system is the fluid itself. Your brake fluid is a lot like engine oil. It has a shelf life, and it should be replaced at proper intervals. We recommend every 30,000 miles or every 2 years, whichever comes first. This will make sure that the power that's going from your brake pedal reaches your brake pads without any issue. We wanted to thank you again for trusting Finsanto. Feel free to give us a call or visit our website, finsanto.com, to schedule your appointment so that we can take a look at your brakes and make sure that you're safe on the road. Remember, Finsanto, we're a wrench above the rest.